Hey everybody, welcome back to Rise and Shine. We are here with another math lesson today, and we're going to be talking about some candy and some...
Did someone say candy?
Yeah. Well, hi Blueberry. Hey Blueberry.
It's good to see you.
It's great to see you.
Oh, what about this candy?
We do have some candy here. Yeah. Well, hang on, Blueberry. We have to pay for the candy.
What?
Yeah, we gotta use our money. But I see
Money?
you have some money over there.
Oh yeah, I've been working hard all summer.
Oh, okay. Been working hard, saving up. So I see we've got quite a few coins here.
Yeah, I've been cleaning the pool at camp.
Okay. So you've been saving up your coins, and so how much money do you have? So the candy cost $1.05.
$1.05 for one piece?
Well, you get a few pieces for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, more than just one. But do you have enough money over there?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I don't know, Joel.
Well, do you know how much each coin is worth?
No, I don't know, Joel.
Well, let's figure that out. Let's talk about that.
Okay.
So these coins are, do you notice anything different about them?
They're different colors.
They're different colors, right? And some of them are more of this copper colored here, right?
Yeah.
So this one is the penny. So this is the only one that's kind of this color, and it's worth 1 cent.
1 cent.
1 cent. Yep, just 1 cent. So you've got some of those. You also have some of these other ones. I see this one here. It's bigger than the penny. Yeah. It's more of a silver color. And this one is called a nickel.
A nickel.
A nickel. Yeah. Do you know how much that one's worth?
Maybe 5 pennies.
It is 5 pennies.
Yes.
It's the same thing as it's 5 cents. So 5 pennies and 1 nickel would be the exact same amount.
Oh.
Okay, so I see this other one. This is the smallest coin.
Oh, so that must be worth less than a penny because it's the smallest.
That does make sense, but it's the smallest in size, but it's worth 10 cents. So it's worth 10 pennies or 2 nickels.
Oh, well, 10 pennies is a lot.
Yeah, we're getting up there.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's one more coin I see.
Okay.
You have the largest one here.
Oh, yeah.
This one is worth 25 cents.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's a quarter.
Oh,
and
wow.
So all of these coins look a little bit differently, right? And so they're worth different amounts. And I tell you what, let's count them out. You want to count?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah? You want to? Well, actually, it's $1.05. Do you want to see if you have any more?
Oh, yeah, let me go check my backpack.
Okay. She's gonna go check and see if she has any more. Now, let's count out how much she does have with us. And so you count along with me. I see that, hey, we have 2 quarters here. All right, so we've got to add all this together to find out the total amount that we have. So if I take the 2 quarters, I know that one is worth 25 cents. So if I now add another 25 cents to that, well, think about how we could add 25 on top of 25. So 20 is like 2 groups of 10. So let's count by tens. That would be 35 and 45. And then we're up to that extra 5 that we have. So now that's 50 cents. So 2 quarters are worth 50 cents. Now, she also has some of these dimes. Those dimes were worth 10 cents. Now, remember, we already have 50 cents, and here's 2 more dimes and another one. So we have 3 dimes altogether. So 2 quarters and 3 dimes, count by tens, adding on from 50, that'd be 60, 70, and 80 cents. Okay, we're getting there. So
Joel, look, I found another.
You got another penny? Okay.
It was at the bottom of my backpack next to some old bubble gum.
Oh, next to the old, well, don't eat that bubble gum. Oh, probably not. But maybe we'll get you some new ones here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we're up to 80 cents, Blueberry. We have 80 cents. Now let's see what else you have.
There.
We're almost there. So we have these nickels, and these nickels.
That's 5 pennies.
There's 5 pennies. So 5 more cents for each nickel, and you have 4 of them. Okay, so you want to count with me by 5s, and we're starting at 80 though, because we already have 80 cents. So 1 nickel would be
85,
and then 1 more. 90. 1 more.
95.
And 1 more.
100. Oh, do I have enough for the candy?
Well, almost. We need $1.05.
Oh.
Now 100 cents is the same as $1.
We're close.
We need to count your pennies. Remember how much these are worth?
1 cent.
1 cent. So we need 5 of them. Hopefully we have enough. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
See another one?
4, 5.
Five.
That's the one I found in my backpack.
That is the one you have, and you even have 3 left.
Ooh.
But you've got enough for some candy here, and you know, that's great work counting today.
Oh, can I have the candy now?
Sure, you can have some candy.
Oh,
So let's make
thanks,
sure
Joe.
Blueberry gets the candy, and you be sure to check out some of Blueberry's new episodes coming up soon.